Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 35. In the last sessions, we have discussed about what is inheritance and what are the types of the inheritance. In the types of the inheritance, we have completed only single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Okay, in this session, we will discuss about the hierarchical. So this is the structure of the hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So from this diagram, what we will understand, class B inherits all the properties and behaviors from class A, and class C also inherits all the properties and behaviors from class A. Okay. So class A is the parent class B and class C are the children. Got it? Now let's see this example. I have created three classes: parent class, child 1 and child 2. Okay, here inside this class I have created the display parent method. So what is the role of this method? It is used to print I am a parent class on my console. Okay, and this is my second class, child 1. That is, this is the new class and this is the existing one. Okay, here we have used the extends keyword. Okay, so what type is this from this to 15th line? This is like the single inheritance because single child and single parent. Okay, so up to this is the single inheritance structure. Okay, so inside this child 1, I have one method, display child 1. So what is the role of this one? Here I am a child 1 class. This statement will be printed on our console. This is the task of this method definition. And I have created the one more class, child 2. Okay, and here extends keyword I have used, and here I have used the parent class only. So child 1 inherits from parent class, also child 2 inherits parent class. So what type is this? From this to this is the hierarchical because single parent, more than one child. This type of structure is called the hierarchical structure. Okay, so here how many objects we have to create? We have to create two objects because in this particular example I have created only two number of children. Okay, so we have to create two number of objects. For a single inheritance, we have to create a single object to call methods from parent as well as the child. Multi-level means we have to create the single object. With the help of that single object alone, we can call all the children and parent class methods. Okay, here we have to create the objects that is equivalent to the number of children. In this example, I have created only two number of children. Okay, so here I have to create two objects to call the methods from parent and the children. Okay, here inside this child 2 class, I have a method display child 2. What is the role of this one? This is used to print this statement on my console. I am a child 2 class. Will be printed on our console. Okay. And inside this child 2 class only we have the main method. So we have to give the file name as child 2 only. Okay. We know already. Okay, and inside the main method I have created two objects because in this example we have only two number of children, so we have to create two objects to call all the parent and children methods. So this is the object for child 2 and this is the object for child 1. We know already about the new keyword. New keyword is used to create the memory for the object during the execution of the program, and this is the constructor. Okay, so this constructor is used to initialize the default values to the objects. Okay, in this example, we didn't have any default constructors. If there is no constructor in our example, means what happens? The compiler creates the default constructor automatically, implicitly. Okay, so here this is the default constructor. Likewise, here I have created the object for child 1 and here we have used the new keyword and this is the default constructor. Got it? Okay, now I want to call all the methods from parent as well as the children. So now I want to call the parent class method. So here this is the object of child 1. So this child 1 inherits the parent class. I can call the parent class method using the object of child 1. Isn't it? So the control jumps from the 29th line to the parent class method. This is the function definition part for this call statement. So the control execute this statement on our console and the control jumps from the 8th line to the 30th line. Here C1 is the object for child 1, that is this one. Inside this class we have this method, that is this call statement. After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 30th line to the 9th line and this method is used to print this statement on our console. After the execution of this method, again the control jumps from the 15th line to 32nd line. Here we have the display parent. But I use the C2 object. C2 is what? The child 2 class object. Okay. So this child 2 inherits all the properties and behaviors from parent class. So we can call the methods from this parent class using the child 2 object like this. So the control jumps from the 32nd to here 4th line and this statement will be printed. After the execution of this, the control again jumps from 8th line to the 33rd line. Okay, here we have the display child 2. So what is it? This is the object of child 2. So control jumps from 33rd to display child 2. This is present inside the child 2 only. So we can use the object of child 2 to call this method. So this statement will be printed on our console. In this example, we have a single parent, 2 children. Okay, 2 children inherits all the properties and behaviors from the parent class. Got it? Let me execute this one. So here I am a parent class. This is the output for this statement. And I am a child class. This is the output for this statement. And I am a parent class. This is the output for C2.displayParent. And I am a child 2 class. This is the output statement for C2.displayChild2 statement. I hope you all understood about the hierarchical inheritance type. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.